Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we would like to share 10 best immune boosting herbs which boosts our immunity naturally and effectively. Amrita or Giloy, Latin name is Stenospora cordifolia. It is known as root of immortality and considered as queen of herbs. Amrita is the most versatile Ayurvedic herb that can treat many health issues including fever and asthmatic symptoms. It regulates and strengthens immunity. Stem and leaves of this plant are used as medicine. Decoction or powder of this plant can be used to boost immunity. Turmeric or haldi, Latin name is Curcuma longa. Turmeric has been used in Ayurveda for centuries with various health benefits like antimicrobial property. It is rich with antioxidants which helps to boost immunity and prevent any damage to body due to the presence of free radicals. Popular immune boosting preparations with turmeric are turmeric milk or haldi doodh, which can be consumed at bedtime, and turmeric tea, which has to be consumed in early morning. We have already uploaded videos on health benefits of turmeric, preparations of haldi doodh and turmeric tea. The links are given in the description box below. Please check the link. Tulsi or holy basil, Latin name is Ocimum sanctum. Tulsi gives protection from infections and diseases like cold, cough and other respiratory issues. Tulsi contains antioxidants and micronutrients which helps to boost immune system by preventing free radicals. This plant specially protects against respiratory disorders and fever. Tulsi tea as a herbal tea with immune boosting property can be taken daily. Please note that do not use tulsi seeds. Preparation of tulsi tea, we have already uploaded a video. Link is in the description box below. Amla or Indian gooseberry. Latin name is Amblyca officinalis. It is one of the best rejuvenator and immunity booster. In Ayurveda, it is called with synonym Dhatri, means mother. It protects us like mother. It is one among Triphala. It has high amount of vitamin C, which is a great source of antioxidants. It has antibacterial property. It also helps to increase WBC in the blood, which are responsible for fighting of the diseases. Amla can be used in any form like juice, morabba, pickle, etc. Popular preparation is Chyawanprash. Bhumia Malaki or Galley of Wind. Botanical name is Philanthus neruri. Bhumia Malaki, small plant grows as a weed, is a very good immunity booster. It is rich with antioxidants. It has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory property. It improves liver health and protects against harmful viral infections including hepatitis B. We can use full plant as medicine. Decoction or yogurt curry can be used to improve immunity. Ashwagandha, botanical name is Withania somnifera. Ashwagandha improves the body's immunity against disease by improving the cell-mediated immunity. It also possesses potent antioxidant property which prevents free radicals. We can use ashwagandha powder regularly to boost immune system. Ginger or shunti, botanical name is Gingiber officinalis. It is one among the Trikatu in Ayurveda. It is used both as food and medicine. Ayurveda has explained ginger as Vishwa Bheshaja or universal medicine. It has antiseptic, antipyretic and antibacterial property and is a rich source of antioxidants. Ginger tea preparation, we have already uploaded a video, please check. Moringa or shigru, botanical name is Moringa oleifera. Moringa is a potent immunity booster. It has antifungal, antiviral, antidepressant and anti-inflammatory property. High amount of antioxidants in moringa keeps you safe from infections. It is also rich with vitamin A and iron. They enhance the functioning of immune system. Usually leaves, bark, flower, fruits of moringa are used. Neem or Nimba, Azadirachta indica. Neem helps to boost immune system by cooling down the body internally. It has antibacterial, antifungal and blood purifying property. It helps to clear toxins and impurities from the blood and strengthens immune system. Pepper, botanical name is Piper nigrum. It has antibacterial property, especially acts on respiratory system. It is one among the Trikatu in Ayurveda. Rich with antioxidants, helps to treat cold, cough, sore throat and indigestion. If you consume one or many of these simple herbs in your daily life, you can definitely boost immunity against various viral and bacterial infections, provided you follow healthy diet pattern and disciplined lifestyle. Eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you for watching.